Aloha, aloha, aloha Sunday, everyone. Welcome all my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Thank you for supporting Emoneyshoes channel. Before you get into this review, before I get into the review, I want you to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. We need about 30 subscribers to hit that, or 30 members to join the family, or Hon.Hi to hit that 1300 club. Also, you need to follow me on IG, E_money_shoes. Also going to start up the mailing list. As you see at the bottom, I think it's Emoneyshoes1. Check out my podcast, brother, your boy A-List. He reviews pretty much everything. Pain82 reviews the foams, and Monolithic Kicks reviews early cops. He got a lot of good stuff at the stash spot as well. If you're looking for that hookup for that urban wear and socks, check out Money Run Clothing. You can find him on IG and moneyrunclothing.com to match up your latest apparel. Now, further ado, let's jump right into this review. I don't know what's going on, but there seems to be a Nike Air Force One utility boom of sorts. You got all black, you got all white, you got the fluorescent green, you got red, you got, I don't know what is going on. I don't know if it's here or overseas, but it's one of these pickups. It's a household pickup. It's not a personal, but a household, meaning it's in the house. Air Force One 7 LV8 utility, men's 9.5, women's 11. Suggested retail price 100 of them things. The colorway black tour yellow. You got that snapper ramp. Of course, I copied from my peeps as always. Foot action, Waikiki. For the low of $80. Actually, I got 2 pairs. I got my personal pair for now too. On these though, you gotta go probably I would suggest either going true to size, or either you can even actually go down a size. Actually, you see on this paper, got a little pop-out scars, and you can see that. Switch it up, we go with the right this time. Let's get a look. Let's get a little hit this way before we jump right into this review. One take Jake, as we always say. No intro, no outro. Right into it. Nothing spectacular right here. All black to the back. Or should I say to the bottom. The trademark R. Coming around on this side. Actually, we'll do the toe box. Actually got some Tomborama right there. Look at that. Nice. Pretty solid too. Stitched in, check. Always a plus. Dope. Adds more feel and quality look to the shoe. And then spectacular about the laces. Nike on the pull tongue with that like this utility look now, because that's what they're going with. Mesh on the tongue. All just plain Tomborama on this side. Stitched in check right there. Utility pull tab on the back. That's their thing with the Nike sportswear branding. You got a little hit of this either a new buck, a dual buck on the back. Coming around on the side, you got the swoosh, and you got some more of that Nike brand and stuff, statement or whatever they put, what they talk about Nike. You got your typical Air, TM trademark, and then you got your Nike stitching right here on the side. Inside here, Nike Air, size 9.5. Production date, focus 6/6/18 to 8/16/18. So, with that being said, if you're looking for a dope black and white shoe, you might want to consider this. If you don't want to grab the J's, like I said, I'm here just to let you know what's out there. I'm not trying to sway you to buy anything, just give you some options, let you know there are some dope sneakers on the market. Like I said, these run kind of big, so you want to go true to size or either down a size, because you don't want these shoes creasing or looking like Bozo the Clown on your feet. On the lit meter, I give these about a 4.5 out of 5. Yeah, I know it's pretty high, maybe partial to black, but this is a dope shoe, especially if you walk by, because it got all these extra different kits on it. You will have people turning their head. So like I said, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell a family member, a friend, get that notification bell ready, because we're going to be bringing back the Bring the Pain podcast soon to a YouTube near you. Thank you for supporting E-Money, and I'm out. Peace.